Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm playing Flood Escape, which is a game on Roblox. So let's enter the lobby, which is the place where you start escaping the floods and stuff. Let's escape some floods. Hopefully we can. Okay, so let's see. There's some ones we need to wait for. I want to start off with easy and stuff like that. So this game is ready. Game is ready for the hard mode, but we're not going to do hard mode, guys. We're going to do easy mode to start off with. So while we wait for that, I guess I'll show you around the thing, because I played this thing quite a lot. Flood Gauntlet. Okay. So we're not going to go there yet. So there's training here, so you can train for going on the flood escape thing. This is pretty good, because then this way you can get ready. So we've got reaction available. Good. Got Code Cracker and Agility. Now this will help you with parkour on that comes up on the Flood Escape, because there's a lot of the game is basically just full of parkour. It's parkour, and more parkour. That's basically just all it is. It's parkour. And I'm not much of a good parkourer, so I'm just gonna try this one last time, then try easy. As you can see, guys, I'm very good at this, am I? It's because I'm using a mobile device. If I was using computer, I'd probably be a lot better. And I'm not used to playing games on computers though. I'm more of a Xbox or tablet user. I don't normally use other devices other than those two. Sometimes play on Wii, but not that much. Okay, this bit's going to be hard, because I need to do this to get ready for when I'm going to actually play the actual thing. So let's go. Okay. Go here. Okay. Go here. Yes. And go here. Yes. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay, I can do this. And next one. There we go. Okay, good. Now it's got to head down here and escape the flood. See? Plus 9 training points, which is what you get. Now I'm not sure what training points do. They must do something. So that's the training bit that you can do there. I'll show you the rest of it after. So here we've got single player, where you can just kind of play the games yourself and stuff. You've got extreme. You need 10 more wins to unlock. I haven't got any wins yet because I haven't actually played the game. Let's go in. A flood sword is required to enter. Got it. That's just asked me something there, I'm not sure. Right. Now, by the way, this is some social media stuff of the maker of the game, which I suggest you check out because it's such a pretty good game actually. So we got his Twitter account at crazyblocks_dev. Check that out. Whatever that is, /CD5JHPC. Check that out as well. His YouTube channel and Facebook account is /crazyblocks. Okay, so we just need to check. Okay, so I'm going to enter easy now because I think I should be good. 3 out of 9 players now. I still have to wait now. Okay, not that long though. And then the intermission will start and then I can go in and stuff like that. Right, so this bit here. No, I remember in the start of the game, you wouldn't be able to go out here. Now you can see exactly what's outside here. Extreme and training is out there as well. Okay. Never saw that. Oh, and I didn't realise they added this. I haven't played the game in a while anyway, so. Okay, so what would happen if I jumped into here? Dangerous water is dangerous. Yeah, that's very good advice, mate. Okay, we've got a guide. Right, I think it should be ready now. 8 players need to. Oh, so it meant that I could go in, but okay, right, that makes sense now. So that means I think I'm just going to go in now. And actually, no. Right. We're going to turn up the thing now. Because it's not like, it's not my music, but it's not music made by a famous artist. It's music made by the maker of this game. So I think we've got quite a while till we can go in that. 6 players need to escape. Wait, maybe I went into here. Let's say I can go in here. Okay. Yeah, no, it's not going to do it. Okay, 1 out of 2 players left. Yeah, no one's going to pick hard because it's hard. I'm going to expect people. I'm going to expecting people in easy. Whoever that is. Okay, she's going right in there. Okay, now I'm going to unspectate and then go back in. I've lost my move button. I can't move. Guys, I can't move or jump. I'm just stuck here. Okay, let's wait for a while. If we want to go in there though. Only 5 players left. I don't think it's going to make it time. I might just need to reset quickly. Try resetting. I'm going to close my eyes just in case. No, it should be right. There we go. Yeah, I knew I just had to reset. Yeah, see, sometimes when Roblox plays up a bit, even when you've got good Wi-Fi, you just have to reset. It's all fixed. Roblox is such an easy game to fix when it breaks. Okay, right. I just need. I'm gonna go in the front and then wait for it. So this should be pretty good. Now I think I'm only gonna have time for one of these. If you guys want more of me playing Flood Escape or games when you escape or obbies and stuff like that, then leave a comment down below. Okay. Okay. Now, by the way, I've got a bit of a cold today, so that's why I'm sniffling and stuff. 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going in, guys. I can't do it for no reason. Yep, even if you climb up, you still get lowered into the lift. Right, so this is how you get through this now. So you jump up here. I've had to train a bit, so I should be good. Way too many players on this one though. How am I supposed to get through this? Okay, move out the way! Move out the way! Move out the way! Right, okay, and jump! No! No! I said no. I just died. Well, that's perfect, isn't it? Can't believe that. Well, let's try again then. How long? This is gonna take a while, isn't it? We've just spent ages waiting. Okay, come on. No, I can make it into there. Darn. I was gonna try and make it in there. Yep, so I can't play any of these now. So I'm just gonna head over down to more modes. And do a bit of training for a while. La. I love the peaceful music they have. Okay, what's down here? Oh wait, that's the second movement. Reaction available. Okay. Ready? Green! Yes! Good. Okay. Back here, get ready. I thought it was going to change there. Okay, platform will be chosen. What is it? Get ready. Red. No! Or at least I got 3 training points. I've got how many now? About 12. Yeah, I've got 12. Okay, so let's go to Code Cracker. This is what you have to do at the end of the thing in order to escape. So you cut the code, so you go 1. Right. You try every possible code. see that one. Okay, no. So maybe we can try this one. This one. Okay. So this one. No. Green. Okay. Okay. Try this one then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work. Okay. Well, I have no idea how this works then. Right, I'm gonna go see what ones are ready for me to use yet then. Okay. Oh. I ended up out here. Huh. Oh. Begin playing here over the multiplayer facility in the lobby. Okay, the game in hard is ready, but I want to wait for easy. We've got 7 out of 8 players left. Yeah, this isn't going to work very well for me. So I'm guessing that one's started then, so I missed it. That's perfect, isn't it? Yeah, it's perfect. Look. Sorry. Wait, did you guys see that dab there I did? Please tell me you did. If you didn't see that dab, you are blind. Okay, you're not blind if you didn't see the dab, but never mind. What's this? Okay. Flood Sword Game Pass. This Game Pass gives you the Flood Sword, of which lets you grant access to the Flood Gauntlet and fight against other players in. You're also able to change the colour of the sword. Okay, that's cool. Where's that dude going? He just walks straight forward. Okay. He just. I'm guessing you wanted to go on that one then. Okay, I'll try medium then. You know what could be so bad with medium? I've only got one player left. Should take too long. Okay, let's go wait. I'm gonna hope that person either dies or completes it. Oh good. Just gonna start now. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going in, guys. From the beginning. Lowering lift. And in we go. This one doesn't have as many players. The time it shouldn't be too hard. Shaken up, Ned. This one might be a bit harder. There's quite some hard parkour here. Do not understand this. Look, I die straight away. Yeah, you're very good at parkour, Will, aren't you? Yes, you are. Oh, I was being sarcastic, by the way. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video then. I'm gonna go see if Josh is playing Candy Apples now, which is his cafe that he made. So I guess I'll see you in the next video then. No wait, sorry, I forgot. I always forget about this. You will see me in the next video. Bye.